How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about low glycemic veggies and fruits. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So in this video, I will tell you guys some foods that are low glycemic veggies and fruits. Some of you may be wondering, who cares if a food is low glycemic or high glycemics? Low glycemic foods don't raise blood sugar as quickly and gives constant energy to you throughout a longer period of time. Foods that are high in glycemic index spike your blood sugar. What usually happens after this is your blood sugar crashes and you feel tired and hungry. So low glycemic foods are the foods that you want to eat. Another thing to consider is that even though a food is high glycemic, it may be okay if you eat it with other foods such as protein and fat. This will make the meal balanced and you can actually balance out the glycemic index. So let's start off with some low glycemic fruits. Number one is going to be apples. Apples are a powerhouse fruit. They're low in glycemic index, only 38. They're loaded with potassium and are also very high in fiber. Fruit number two is going to be oranges. Have a glycemic index of 40. Orange will boost vitamin C and are also loaded with potassium. Most people don't get enough potassium in the day. Number three is going to be grapefruit. Are loaded with potassium, very high in fiber. They also have 80% of your total vitamin C for the day. Now that we have talked about some low glycemic fruits, let's go over some veggies. Number one is going to be carrots. Very low glycemic score, loaded with 100% of your vitamin A for the day. Very tasty and are a staple in my diet. I eat carrots daily, you guys. Vegetable number two is going to be eggplant, very high in antioxidants and other vitamins and minerals. I love making these in the air fryer. Taste amazing, very low in glycemic index. Broccoli, loaded with antioxidants, high in potassium and high in fiber. One of the lowest glycemic foods out there. I highly recommend broccoli. Bell peppers. Now, you can make these with pierogies. I love making bell peppers with pierogies. Pierogies aren't the best thing to make. They are potatoes, so technically they're not that bad if you eat them in moderation. But again, bell peppers and pierogies, that's one of my favorite foods to eat. But again, that's a cheat food for me. I don't have it very often. So those are some of the foods, you guys. Low glycemic fruits and vegetables. Again, eat those foods and you will see a huge reduction in your blood sugar levels. You won't see huge spikes and crashes. It'll be constant throughout the day. I will put a link in the description box to some more high glycemic fruits and vegetables if you guys want to check that out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.